this video, we will go over how to put in the sensor offset as well as a manual override. To begin, press on the menu button, go to Equipment. You can either directly go into a circuit or you can try to find it by pressing the down arrow. When you're at the tab Status Alarm Settings, go into Settings, go to Service, then you'll see the section for auto/manual relays, auto/manual sensors, auto/manual on-off inputs, auto/manual variable outputs. To put in the manual override to the relay, you will simply need to change it from auto to either manual on or manual off. Manual on to turn it on, manual off to turn it off. To put in the sensor offset, you will simply need to have the temperature sensor at auto and then put in the offset as needed. Another thing you can do is you can change this to manual, and when you do so, you now have an option to put in a value that you want. This is going to be, if you, for example, want the sensor to be 20 degrees Celsius, then you'll put in 20, and it will stay in this value until you change it back to auto.